I'm here with Grant at Cardex. Grant, how are you? Great to see you.
Yeah, lovely to see you too, Lawrence.
Tell us about, you've got some really impressive gear here, including the robot. Tell us about Cardex and what you're offering.
Yeah, well, Cardex has been a long-term partner of our customers here in the Australian marketplace with the traditional units through our Remstar business, which is based around vertical carousel lifting units, vertical lifting machines. Then we've progressed into the area of buffer modules. Our LR35 product has now been introduced into this market also. And as part of our expansion globally, in 2021 we obtained the global distribution rights for AutoStore. We're now launching into the APAC region with Cardex AutoStore, bringing that to our customers as well, giving them the ability to go from what may have been a fairly simple solution as a step into the automation sector to then expand that as their needs have expanded, and we're now able to cater to a lot more of their needs.
Wonderful. And Grant, there's a real rise in e-commerce and micro-fulfillment. Perfect solution for that stuff.
Absolutely, and that's a key growth area for all of our customers. The one thing that came out of the last rocky couple of years is the fact that Australians in particular now like to shop online. So there's a lot more of that, smaller order. The e-fulfillment area is something that has expanded. The AutoStore product fits in there perfectly for that component. And we've been fortunate enough in being able to leverage all of our local support in our life cycle services with our service and support teams here. We're now able to give another solution that targets that area, as you say, to help our customers grow.
Well, I think that's a real takeaway that I can see as well with Cardex is that ability to give that extra support and that hand-holding as they grow into the new type of technology.
Yeah, and the trouble is for a lot of our customers, you only know what you know. And as you go to grow and you think, well, okay, what's next, which these shows are great and has been very well supported, gives you the ability to see what else is out there. But you then need to go back and do the work. And that's part of the component that we want to work with our customers on and help them take them through that journey to get them to a place where they go, well, okay, now we're comfortable, we've got the right solution, and we can hit our growth plans for the next 3, 5, 10 years, whatever that looks like.
Fantastic, Grant. And great segue, what you just mentioned. What do you think of CEMAT? It's been an amazing year this year here up at the Dome in Sydney.
Yeah, it really has done. There's always been that rivalry between Sydney and Melbourne, which one's better. But I'd have to say it's been very well supported. There's been good foot traffic through here. I think all the exhibitors can, be very proud of what they've put on because the feedback from the customers has definitely been well worthwhile.
Wonderful. And you had a lot of interest already?
Yeah, a lot of interest already. New customers, existing customers are just as important, as well as the whole networking component of being able to work with the other partners there.
Great. Well, wonderful. Thanks for being on Import Export TV here at CEMAT. Grant, great to chat with you and congratulations on the rollout of all the AutoStore stuff.
Fantastic. Thank you so much for giving us the time.
My pleasure. Cheers.
Enjoy.
What's up?